bell icon for notification. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Beaming Deck. For all those of you who are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. So first of all, I would like to apologize to all my viewers for not being regular in uploading my videos. I'm sorry, but I was stuck with some personal work. But now I promise I would post videos very often. So today's video is yet another treat for all you foodies because let's be honest, what's better than food that will lift up your spirits? This recipe is something that I have learned from my mom, who makes this as an amazing appetizer to our Sunday binge. She is an amazing cook. So I present to you the yummiest veggie clear soup. The fact that I love about making this soup is that it takes very little time to be prepared, and once prepared, it is the most appetizing thing. The first step is to heat the oil in a pan and add and stir fry chopped ginger and garlic. Here I am using an inch-sized ginger and about 4 garlic pods which have been chopped finely beforehand. The ginger and garlic have to be cooked until they are translucent and golden in color and releases the aroma. As the ginger and garlic are well cooked, now one by one we will add the veggies. First I am using finely chopped onions. Just like the ginger and garlic, now we'll fry the onions as well. Once the onion has turned golden in color, we will be adding finely chopped carrot and beans. On a personal note, being a Bengali, I just feel that carrot and beans are the perfect combination to any recipe you make. Now we'll saute carrot and beans as well. Now one by one we'll be adding chopped tomatoes and parboiled sweet corn. Many of you might feel that I am putting a lot of vegetables, but trust me, once it is made, it will taste awesome. After all the vegetables has been cooked properly, now we will be adding the required amount of water you need to make the soup. While making the soup, please ensure that all the vegetables should be well cooked and nothing remains raw because it would hamper the taste of the soup otherwise. Now on the part of condiments, I will be adding salt to taste, pepper and some mixed herbs. I love to use mixed herbs on many of the dishes that I make because it not only adds to the flavor but also helps to release the beautiful aroma of an appetizing soup. As the soup begins to boil, we will add corn flour to it. Corn flour will help the soup to build up the actual consistency we require in a soup. Once you make the corn flour slurry to be added into the soup, please ensure that there is no lumps in the liquid and it is absolutely free flowing. After adding corn flour, let the soup again boil for a few minutes until the exact consistency is reached. Now at the final step, we will be adding finely chopped coriander. Adding coriander will give the soup an absolutely refreshing taste. Although I am not using it myself, but at this stage you can also add a bit of lemon juice to enhance the taste. So now your veggie clear soup is ready to be served. Trust me, when I tasted the soup, it was no less than any other restaurant broth soup. The soup has the perfect taste and aroma that will surely appetize your tummies before your food. This recipe is worth to try at home, so go ahead and try it and let me know how you felt. If you have loved the recipe, please do not forget to like to my video, subscribe to my channel and also share it with your friends. Until then, stay safe, stay happy and bye-bye.